Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 30 of my prep challenge, and finally I have completed the challenge of speaking in English in front of the camera for 30 days. So I am very happy today, and today in this video I'm going to share you that what I have learned from YouTube. Initially, when I watched my first video, I can clearly see the difference, how I was nervous, and now it has improved a lot. Now I can face the camera easily. I can say 2 3 lines very easily in front of the camera. Earlier, you know what, earlier when it time comes to speak, like even initially, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, these 2 lines was very difficult for me. I was not able to speak in front of the camera, even a single line. So now I have improved a lot and my confidence has changed. You can see the difference. And earlier I was habitual of making video on sitting at bed and simply speaking, and I get distract easily whenever any kind of sound, if I want to shoot where there are trees or in the park, then whenever any squirrel or any bird make are chirping, then I got disturbed. But now it doesn't like that. Now all things have changed. You can see behind me I am on my terrace, and I am speaking in English. And now I can speak in English when at the time of walking also. Initially I was not habitual of this. Initially I just stand up or just sit down and start speaking like I am delivering a speech after preparing or after learning the script. Now it has changed. And one more thing I would like to tell you that I have only 93 subscribers. My channel is not growing very fast, but I believe that personal growth is more important than your channel growth. So I am growing. It doesn't matter my channel is growing or not. And also, YouTube can give you identity. Like imagine if you go to a company and interview, and in front of the interviewer you say that I am a good content creator, then there is no proof that you are a good content creator, but you have your YouTube channel, and you have uploaded hundreds of videos of your on your YouTube channel, then it will become your proof. So basically YouTube is a public portfolio where you can share anything, like you can share your struggle story, you can share your dreams, your failures, and everything. You can document everything on YouTube, and after some time you will realize that while uploading and creating videos you have learned lots of things like editing, storytelling. And you know what, my communication has also improved. Earlier I was so introvert, but now I have improved my communication skills, and this happens only because of YouTube. And one more thing I would like to tell you that apart from speaking in front of the camera for 10 minutes, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, you have to you should speak with a real person. Like you need, every person need a real conversation, because in real conversation, if there is another people, he will ask you unexpected questions, and at that time you are supposed to reply immediately. So in this way your brain work fast, and you can learn the things easily. And practice is very important. It doesn't matter if you just sit down and studied for long hours. Even if you are studying for 24 hours, you cannot develop your speaking skills until unless you have to practice, because practice makes man perfect. And this is the first time I have notice that it really works, because most of the YouTubers say these things that be consistent, be consistent. And finally I learned what I learned so many things by being consistent. Consistency really helps us a lot to improve ourselves. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and don't wait for the perfect time. Just start speaking if you want to learn English. Thank you. Bye bye.